What's up, guys? It's the Fix Bros, and what you're looking at is the Jeep. It's all done, as you can see, and it's at home. And see all that dirt on it? It's really dirty. So what we got for that, we got this kit here. It's a Chemical Guys detailing kit, and we're gonna wash the Jeep with this kit. I haven't tried any of these products out yet, so it comes with the wash mitt, really high quality, really big, and then it comes with a microfiber towel. It says that this microfiber towel is for windows, but you can use it for anything, I guess. And then here's a waffle towel, and it says glass and window waffle towel, streak-free towel. So I'm excited about this one. We're gonna see how it works on the windows. Then a brush to clean the wheels, and an applicator for the tire wet. First of all comes the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. Really good foaming soap. This is what we're gonna use in the foam gun. And then comes the Butter Wet Wax. Really excited about trying this one out. And then glass cleaner. Basically, it just is sprayed on, wipe it off, and it's supposed to clean the glass well. And then this is a silk shine dressing. It's for rubber, vinyl, plastic, all that stuff. I think it works for leather too. It also works for tires, so we're going to try it out on the tires. And then Diablo wheel cleaner. We're going to test it out on the wheels over here because they're pretty dirty. And then comes the speed wipe. It doesn't wax the surface, it just washes off all the dust, and there's a quick detail on it. Then comes the Torque Foam Blaster. It's for a hose, so we're going to see how this works. Hopefully it's going to foam up the car well. I'm going to open it really quick. Comes with some accessories. I'm going to put it together real quick. Put this on. Put this on. Also, what's cool, you can actually make it go down or sideways. We're going to keep it on the sideways for now. So then, there's a couple accessories in the bottle. I think this is for a different hose connection, but save that for later. And this is probably, we'll save that for later too. User's manual, who needs that? And then connect this over here. So you pull this back, connect it in, and then you connect this. Container. As you can see, that's how much soap you need, and that's how much water. And then I think this is probably a connection on this. Yeah, but I'm not exactly sure. Maybe we'll try it out. So we're gonna use this one for now. So here's the foam gun. You just connect the hose over here. Just put the Snow Foam Auto Wash in. Then comes the grit guard. You put it on the bottom of the bucket. This is just gonna be the rinse bucket. You just get the towels and rub them on the bottom, and it gets all the grit out of the towel. And we're gonna have a different bucket that has clean soapy water in it. So this is everything that comes with the bucket, and this bucket costs $125 on Amazon, and the link will be in the description if you want to get this. So first, we're trying out the Diablo wheel cleaner, and right now just quickly rinse it off just to get the big dirt off. Rinsed it off now. Let's take the wheel cleaner and just spray it on. Hopefully it works good. It smells like cherry. Now I'll grab the brush, just spray some wheel cleaner on the brush too. Start scrubbing the wheel. As you can see, it foams up, which is pretty cool. Clean the inside of the wheel too. Make sure everything is cleaned up. Now we're gonna wash off all the cleaner. Go. It turned out really good. There's no dirt at all anywhere. It's all cleaned off, squeaky clean. This is not dirt, this is a scratch. So it even cleaned the interior of the wheel, inside of there, where we couldn't even reach. So that's a big plus for it. And it cleaned the wheel well, really well in the suspension. So this is really good wheel cleaner. there really isn't anything bad about it. So now we're just going to do the rest of the wheels, and then we'll move on. So we cleaned all the wheels with it, and as you can see, that's how much we used up on that line. So now we'll grab our foam gun, fill up with that much soap. Okay, we didn't put it all away because it's wasting too much. I think this much is enough. Now put some warm water from the sink and we'll start foaming the car. So just after filling it, as you can see, it's already foaming, which is a good sign. And now we'll just screw it in and attach it. All you need to do is pull this back, stick it in, that's it. It's done, it's on. So now mix up the soap. And as you can see over here, there's letters. There's A, B, C, D, E, and then this sign. That means no soap. So we're gonna try an A first. But before we do that, let's take off the foam cannon because we need to get the car wet and wash off all the big dirt.
So meanwhile, while Paul is spraying down the car, I'm gonna get the buckets prepared. So this will be the soapy water bucket, and this will be the rinse bucket. So this says shake well and add 1 to 2 ounces. So let's shake it up. And now let's add about 2 ounces. That's just about 2 ounces. And now let's fill it up with water. And now let's fill the rinse bucket up with water.
So we got it rinsed off, and now Tim's gonna connect the foam cannon. So we're gonna put the cannon on the C setting, and we're gonna get the car foamed up. So Tim's gonna spray the roof, and then I'm gonna start scrubbing the roof.
I have to start with the roof, because if you do the bottom of the car first and then go towards the top, all the dirt at the top is gonna go down, and you're gonna get the bottom dirty again.
So now just rub it down on the grit guard to get all of the grit off, like that. And we'll just continue doing the rest of the car and doing the same steps. Washing, grit guard, then stick it into the soapy water, and keep going. So now we're gonna test out this big glove. You don't need to put it into the grit guard rinsing bucket because it's anyways a brand new one. So it's heavy. That's a good thing because it's gonna put weight onto the car and grabs all the dirt. Stop singing! We're making a video.
Look, we're recording a video and this is all going on YouTube. Cringy singing compilation. We're done washing the car. Now we're gonna rinse it down and dry it. So now we finished washing the car. Now we have to dry it.
So we're done drying it. Look at this nice color. Really smooth, doesn't need a clay bar. Smooth all around the car. These panels were not painted and it's really smooth. And right now we're gonna quickly test out the window cleaner and the rubber and vinyl and plastic cleaner. Okay guys, so as you can see, that other side has a lot of water spots, so let's see if it'll actually remove the water spots. And I'm also using the Waffle towel. This is meant for the windows. Guys, look, it actually removed the water spots, which is actually really cool. So now we're just gonna do the rest of the windows. I'm just gonna spray it on here.
Okay, so now we're gonna try out the silk shine dressing. It says to make sure that the surface is clean and dry to the touch prior to application. Shake well and spray onto an applicator pad. Gently wipe onto surface, remove any excess with a towel, and reapply as needed. So as you guys can see, this plastic is really hazed up. So I got a microfiber towel. I got the silk dressing. Just spray some on. And try rubbing it in. See how this works. It doesn't seem like it does anything to this rubber, but now let's try it out on plastic. So this is a perfect place to try this on. I'm going to try it on this plastic piece area. Let's spray some onto the microfiber towel and apply it. So now, let's see when it dries what it's going to look like. Okay, so this is what it turned out to look like. It did make it more black, but not as black as I was expecting it to be. Now, let's try out the silk shine dressing. So you get some onto the applicator pad, and then you just apply it to the tire or to any kind of plastic or vinyl. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole tire, but you guys can see how it's turning out. Let's just let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll see how it looks.
Cleaned all the glass in this car, and that's how much it wasted. And there's actually a lot of windows in this car, so that's actually pretty good. So here we have the quick speed wipe. It says that it's high gloss and deep wet, spray gloss and quick detailer. So I already tried it out. It did pretty good. I'm going to show it right now. Over here is pretty shiny, and also the glass looks pretty clean after I have cleaned it with the glass cleaner. And as you can see the reflection of the camera, and it's really nice. So it's been about half an hour, and as you can see, that's what the cleaner did to the tire. So now we're going to be testing out the butter wet wax. As you can see, I divided it over here. This side is going to be the butter wet wax, and this is no wax. So we're going to see which side will repel the water better. Now let this dry for like at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, the wax is ready to come off. So I'm just gonna buff it off. Okay, so it's really shiny, it's really smooth. So now we'll quickly get the hose and see how it does in the water test. See all the small water spots here? And look, this, just tap on it and the water will slide off. See that? Yeah, so if you're driving and it's raining, the water will just slide back. Some people asked on Instagram if it runs, and just to show you, it runs, and just to show you the engine, how good it looks. No rattling noises, nothing. Perfectly running engine. This is the exact reason why I need to have the grit guard, because look, I'm not exactly sure if you can see all that grit. Just watch it flow away. Look at all that dirt. Look at all that grit in there. Rocks, all that stuff. Nasty. That would be rubbed into your paint if you were just using one bucket. So that's exactly why the grit guard is really important. Hey guys, you're not looking at a mirror right now. You're actually looking at the Jeep. This Jeep was detailed only with that bucket, and it's actually worth it. If you guys want to buy this product, link in the description from Amazon. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button over here, and we'll see you guys next time.